If you can't find the Developer Options menu on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.5, don't worry, it's hidden by default. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the hidden developer mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Now scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Here you'll see details like your One UI version and Android version. Now scroll down until you find the Build Number option. Tap on Build Number 7 times continuously. Your phone may ask for your lock screen password or PIN. Just enter it to continue. After a few taps, you'll see a message saying, Developer mode has been turned on. That means the hidden developer options menu is now activated on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now go back to the main settings page. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll now see a brand new option called Developer Options. Tap on it. Inside Developer Options, you'll find lots of advanced and useful features like memory usage information, running background services, USB debugging, animation speed controls, and more. These settings are especially useful for advanced users, app developers, and anyone who wants more control over their Samsung device. If you no longer want to use Developer Options, you can easily turn it off. Simply open Developer Options, then tap the toggle at the top to disable it. Once turned off, the Developer Mode menu will be hidden again from your settings page. And that's how you can enable or disable the developer options on your Samsung Galaxy device, running One UI 8.5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.